8 Anti-cancer drinks. Cancer is a serious disease that can affect anyone. As far as we know, it is caused by different factors that range from genes to lifestyle habits. With the passing of time, technology and medicine have advanced a lot in the treatment against this disease. However, it continues being one of the main causes of death in the world, which is why everyone is concerned about it. In this video, we'll provide a list of 8 anti-cancer drinks. Many medicinal studies done in the world have determined the relationship between diet and prevention of this disease. As a result of that, it has been discovered that most of the foods that contain antioxidants like vitamins A, C, D, E, etc., are excellent cancer fighters that will protect the body naturally and effectively. In this video, we will show you 8 natural anti-cancer drinks that you can drink very often to help reduce your risk. 1. Pineapple and ginger smoothie. Pineapple contains an enzyme called bromelain, which is responsible for preventing cancer and helps reduce the negative effects of chemotherapy and radiotherapy. The ingredients in bromelain reduce and kill cancerous cells and leave healthy cells intact. Ginger is known for having cancer-fighting properties that reduce tumors, which is even more effective than many pharmaceutical products that fight cancer. What you should do: mix pineapple, ginger, and milk in a blender, and as a result, you will get your cancer-fighting smoothie. 2. Orange and raspberry juice. As we said above, antioxidants and vitamins play a very important role in the prevention and treatment for cancer. Fruits like orange and raspberry are excellent antioxidants that will allow you to get the perfect drink for fighting this disease. What you should do: mix orange juice with raspberries and then drink it on an empty stomach, preferably. 3. Apple and carrot smoothie. Carrots have stimulating properties for your body's defenses, and that is a huge help for fighting diseases like cancer. This vegetable contains a component called falcarinol, which is an effective cancer fighter. On the other hand, apples with their skin contain a lot of vitamins and antioxidants that are great for preventing this disease. That is why combining both foods are perfect for getting an excellent anti-cancer drink. What you should do: mix a little bit of water in the blender with a carrot and unpeeled apple. Drink the smoothie immediately. 4. Banana and mango smoothie. Both fruits are a rich source of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Bananas contain minerals that are very difficult to find in other foods. These are effective for preventing this diseases and have very beneficial properties for the proper functioning of the body. What you should do: put both fruits in the blender, add a little bit of water, and sweeten it a little bit with honey. 5. Blackberry smoothie. Studies done by Wang K. Yang have determined that wild blackberries contain antioxidants, anti-cancer, anti-neurodegenerative, and anti-inflammatory properties, which prevent and act positively, especially on colon cancer. What you should do: mix blackberries with water or milk in a blender and drink frequently. 6. Ginger tea. Studies have shown that ginger can destroy cancer cells more effectively than many medications that are made for cancer. Ginger is a great ally in preventing and treating cancer, and is effective for reducing tumors, without any side effects on your health. What you should do: thinly slice ginger and mix it with lemon juice. Heat a cup of water, and when it is boiling, dissolve the ingredients mentioned above in it. Let sit for 10 minutes and then drink it. 7. Wine. According to the American Cancer Association, they believe that drink a glass of wine in moderation reduces death from cancer by 20%. Wine contains phenolics, resveratrol and quercetin, which act as a strong antioxidant, which is why they prevent cancer. 8. Salt water. Although drinking salt water can have side effects on your health like dehydration and other changes in the body, many of its properties are highly cancer-fighting and incredibly restores your body's health. What you should do: you should never drink pure salt water because it could affect your body. You can mix 1 part salt water with 5 parts pure water. You can add a lemon per liter, and if you would like, sweeten it. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.